Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Perfect Forex. I want to say Happy New Year to you guys. Happy New Year to you guys. For those of you who have been with me, who have been with this channel from the onset, I want to say a big thank you for sticking around. I want to say a big thank you for your time, for your consistency, and for those who are just joining this channel for the first time. I want to say a big thank you. It promises to be an amazing one here. Um, Last year, towards the end of last year, I wasn't really consistent on my channel because I had a lot of things on my plate. I had a lot of things to undo and a lot of things to attend to. So that was the reason why I wasn't consistent. So my sincere apologies to you guys for inconsistency, but this year promises to be amazing. This year promises to be amazing. Um, Also, if you are just joining or if you are just seeing my YouTube channel for the first time, I would like you to please click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I get to post a new video, you guys will be notified. You'll be amongst the first people to be notified. And also, please do well to share my video with your friends. Do well to share my video with your family members. Let them know that something amazing is happening on my YouTube channel, Perfect Forex. And also do well to smash the like button as it goes a long way in the algorithm of this video. It enables it to be seen by many other people. So do well to please click like and drop a comment in the comment section. This is a strategy I've been working with since last year. Although I haven't really been consistent, I wasn't really consistent last year, towards the end of last year actually, but I wasn't away from my chart. I wasn't really consistent on my channel, but I wasn't away from my chart. So this indicator is one that I have been working on and also working with, and it has been profitable. It has been profitable. So, guys, I will be showing you guys how to use this indicator to take trades. I'll be showing you guys how to scale into the market and just pick entries using this indicator, make good pips, make good money, and exit the market. But before then, let me just show you guys the settings of this indicator. This indicator is powerful. It is mind blowing. It's mind blowing. And this indicator actually works for the crash and boom index market. It works for the crash and boom index market. It works for boom 500, crash 500, the boom 1000 index, and also the crash 1000 index. So guys, quickly, let me just show you the settings of this indicator before I show you how you pick entries, how you pick trades using these indicators. First of all, what you want to set up is your moving average. This moving average 8. The period, these are the parameters. The period should be set to 8. Method, linear weight, apply to open, shift 0. Style, the color should be any color of your choice. Any color of your choice. Then click OK. Then you need also to add another moving average, which is the 12 moving average. 12 moving average. Let's quickly click on that for you guys to see. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. These are the parameters of the moving average. Period 12. The period should be set to 12. Method, linear weight, shift 0, apply to close. Just set it in accordance to what you are seeing on your screen. The style, the color can be any color of your choice. Then click OK. Now these other indicators, these other moving averages, this one here and this one here, this is the 50 moving average and this is the 100 moving average. Moving averages are dynamic support and resistances. We have a support and resistance that is static, that is, it can be indicated using the horizontal bars. Horizontal bars, this is a resistance, and also this is a support point. This point, this point is a support point, while this point is a resistance point. Now, this is a static kind of resistance, but moving averages are dynamic in nature. They flow with price. They flow with price. In as much as they can't really tell you what price will do, but they indicate um, resistances. They indicate interest points in the market. They indicate interest points in the market. Now, after setting your moving averages, achieve moving average 8, moving average 12, then you want to set this moving average 50. These are the parameters. Period should be set to 50. Shift 0. Method linear weight apply to previous indicator data on the main chart. Previous indicator data, and the style, you can choose any color of your choice. And then when you're done, click OK. Lastly, you want to set this indicator moving average 100. Moving average 100. And just set everything you are seeing in accordance to what is showing on your screen. Period should be set to 100. Method linear weight apply to previous indicators data. Then the color can be any color of your choice. So once you are done, click OK. Now, guys, this is how this indicator works. It is a very, very simple indicator. You don't need to stress yourself. Once you see an entry, scale into the market, scalp. Although in my subsequent videos, I'll be showing you guys how you can use this indicator to ride long moves. How you can use this indicator to ride long moves by doing top-down analysis from the daily time frame, break it down to the 4 hours time frame, the 8 hours, 6 hours, the 12 hours, then break it further down to the 1 hour time frame, and then you look for entries on the 15 minutes time frame. Once you are done with your top-down analysis, you can take entries on the 15 minutes time frame and ride the market for as long as the market is going in your direction. But that is not what we are doing today. I'll just be showing you guys how you can use this indicator basically on the 15-minute time frame. Did you hear that, guys? The 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. Now, what do you look out for in the market before upping into trades? Now, what you want to do on Boom 500, on the Boom index market, that is Boom 500 and Boom 1000, you would want to sell. You'll be looking for selling opportunities. Although this is crash 1000 right now, but on the Boom 500 and Boom 1000 index market, what you'll be looking out for are selling opportunities. Selling opportunities. Now, what are the indications you look out for before placing entries? Now, first of all, what you need to do is to ensure that price is beneath all these moving averages. All these moving averages. Once price is beneath all these moving averages, and then you see that if a candle, a full candle, has closed below this moving average 12 and 8, a full sell candle has closed below moving average 12 and 8, you can enter for your sell, placing your stop loss above the previous candle. Now, listen to that carefully. Not on the candle that just closed. Not on the candle that just closed, but above the candle preceding that. Above the candle preceding that. And then you can just ride the market for just at most, because I said this is a scalping strategy, at most 2 15 minutes candle. ride the market for 2 15 minutes candle. That is just 13 minutes, and then you opt out of the market. You do what? Opt out of the market. This enables you to risk little. To risk little. This is the 4 hours time frame. Sorry about that. It was to be on the 15 minutes time frame. As I said, on boom 500, boom 1000, you want to do what? You want to look for sell opportunities. Okay, look at an example here. An example here, guys. Okay, as you can see, price closed. There was a full candle closing beneath a full candle closing beneath all these moving averages, and then once you see that this candle has closed, let me zoom it in for you guys to see. Okay, let me just mark that point out for you guys. Okay, as you can see, there was a full closure of this candle, this particular candle here. Then you do what? You enter into the market, placing your stop loss above this previous candle. Did you hear that? Placing your stop loss above this previous candle. This enables you to risk very little in the market. As you can see, you're just risking 10 pips. Just risking 10 pips to make about, I said, 2 candles. This about 1 ratio 1.5, 1 ratio 2 risk to reward. And if the market is actually on a very strong downward move, then you can hold the market, you can hold price till like 1 ratio 3, 1 ratio 4, depending on the strength of the sell. But basically, enter the market, risk very little, you risk very little, and just hold the market for 15 minutes candles, 15 minutes candle, and then you exit the market. As you can see, this is the closure. I said enter the market after the closure of a candle beneath all these moving averages. Enter the market at this candle, placing your stop loss here, 10 pips. Then you hold the market from this point down to this point. As you can see, it was actually a long sell, and then you'd have closed out in profit. Okay, guys, let's look for other entries. Let's see if this strategy is viable. Look at this point also, guys. This full candle. Ensure that the candle closing beneath it is a full candle. It's a full candle. As you can see, this candle closed beneath it. A full candle closed beneath it. Enter immediately the second. The next candle opens. Enter, placing your stop loss where? Not above the candle that just closed, but the previous candle that closed after the one that you are entering from, before the one you are entering from. So place your stop loss here. Then you'll be risking just 20 pips, 18 pips, 80 pips in the market. Take 15 minutes candle, and then you're out of the market. See, you close the market, you close your trade in profit. Let's look for other entries. Just ensure that price is beneath all these moving averages. Ensure that price is beneath all these moving averages on boom 500 and boom 1000. Boom 500 and boom 1000. Let me show you another point, guys. As you can see, look at this point. This is the full candle closing beneath all these moving averages, and then you place your stop loss above at this region. Enter from this point, scaling down to this point. Placing your stop loss at this point, you just be risking just 10 pips, risking 10 pips in the market. Then after 15 minutes, after 15 minutes candle, you exit the market. Guys. So that's how the strategy works on boom and crash 1000. Boom 500, crash 500, boom 1000, crash 1000. I'll be showing you guys how to also pick trades using this on the crash 1000 and boom and crash 500 index. Now I want to make something clear, guys. There's no strategy that is 100%. There's no strategy that is 100%. As I said, you'll be risking very little in the market, and you'll be able to close out in profit. But then there are times that the market taps you out. On days like that, don't fret, don't be afraid. You will just be risking, you just be losing very, very, very little if you apply proper risk management. And that is something I actually encourage. Always apply proper risk management to your trades. Always apply proper risk management to your trade. As you can see, look at this point. Candle closing beneath it. Put your stop loss at this point. From this point, that's just 14 pips, 14, 15 pips. Then look at 15 minutes candle to 15 minutes candle. This, and you are out of the market. As you can see at um, this point, the market was ranging. The market was ranging. There was no really clear indication for entries, in as much as it was actually showing entries. But remember, I said a full candle must be closing beneath it. Look at this point now. This was a full candle. This would just be a case where we might not get the trade our direction. That is, it might not really come our way. It's just an example where we might lose the trade. But subsequently, you discover that once you are consistent with this, you have more wins than losses. You get, guys, you have more wins than losses. Look at this point. A full candle closing, a full sell candle closing beneath all these moving averages. Here's your stop loss here. That's around just 8 pips, and then you catch 250 minutes candle, and you are out of the market. You're out of the market. So, guys, that's how the strategy works. Let me show you how it works on Crash 500 and Crash 1000 index. Also, remember I said on Boom 500 and Boom 1000, you want to look out for selling opportunities. While for Crash 500 and Crash 1000, you want to look out for buying opportunities. So basically, the reverse is just the case on Boom. On Crash 500, the reverse is the case. You just want to see a full candle, a full bullish candle closing above all these moving averages, a full bullish candle closing above all these moving averages, and then you place your stop loss somewhere here that is beneath the previous candle. That is, you just be risking 15 pips in the market on Crash 500, risking 50 pips, and then after 250 minutes candle, plus 1, 2, you are out of the market. Remember, I said, guys, it is a scalping strategy. It is a scalping strategy. In my subsequent video, I'll be showing you guys, or in the next video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use this indicator to ride long moves. Once you see confirmations, I will show you how you can pick confirmations to ride long moves. So that's basically how this strategy works, guys. Sincerely, if you stick strictly to these instructions, I promise you guys, you're going to make the most out of the market profitably. You're going to make the most out of the market profitably. As you can see, there are not too much junks on the screen. There are not too much junks on the screen. Just place these moving averages on your screen on the main chart and ensure that the confirmations are in place. Look at this point. Let me show you. Look at this point. A full candle closing above all these moving averages. Ensure that it is closing above. Place your stop loss beneath the previous candle. That you don't be risking about. So this is the 4 hours time frame. Okay, 4 hours time frame. This for Crash. Okay, look at this point. At this point, guys, price was above all these moving averages. Then place your stop loss somewhere here. Just be risking that about 13 pips in the market. After 250 minutes candle, you are out of the market. That is for Crash 500 crash 1000, looking out for buying opportunities on those commodities. While for boom 500 and boom 1000, you'll be looking out for what? Selling opportunities. Sell opportunities. So that's how the strategy works, guys. That's how the strategy works, guys. As I said, if you're just coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, I would like you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I get to post a new video, you guys will be notified. And also do well to share my videos with your friends, do well to share my videos with your family. Let them know that something amazing is happening on my YouTube channel, Perfect Forex. Perfect Forex. Um, until I come your way again, this is your friend, this is your brother, this is your favorite trader, Perfect Forex. Do have a great day and God bless.